Hi Amit, how are you?
Hey Ravi, I am fine. What's going on?
I was thinking about junk food. Do you eat it often?
Sometimes. Why?
I have been reading that it is not good for health. Junk food contains many unhealthy things.
Yes, I have heard that too. But it's very tasty.
True, but too much can also be bad. It can make us sick.
Really? I did not know this.
Yes, we should eat less junk food and more healthy food.
Like what?
We might try baked sweet potato fries instead of deep fried. They are more healthy.
That sounds good. Any other ideas?
We can make homemade pizza with whole wheat crust and lots of vegetable instead of ordering from fast food places.
Homemade pizza tastes delicious and healthy too.
Apart from this, you can also drink fresh fruit juice or water instead of cold drinks.
Yes, we should drink more water. Fruit juice tastes refreshing.
Small changes can make a big difference in our health.
You're right. I'll try to eat less junk food and more healthy food.
That is great. We can encourage each other this way.
Thanks for bringing this up, Ravi. I feel motivated to eat better now.
No problem, Amit. We should take care of each other's health.
Definitely. What should we cook for dinner tonight? Something healthy?
How about Matar Paneer curry with plain roti for dinner tonight?
Sounds good. Let's go get the ingredients.
Okay, let's do this.
Thanks again, Ravi.
Anytime, Amit. Let's choose healthy choices together. Thanks for watching. May you have a great time ahead.